guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm joined by Matthew and he's just practicing. We're going to be doing some dirt bike stuff. Of course I don't have one, I just have ordinary bike. But yeah, Matthew's just practicing something for a new clip. So, right, I'll see you guys in a minute.
Hi guys, we're back.
Yep, boys.
Donuts, yeah.
I got them both recording. I'm going to grab out the way for this. So.
By the way, I'm not really good at donuts, so.
Yeah, plus we don't want to hurt him, so I mean we do, but no, we don't want to hurt him,
It's
so
better on dirt than sand. I don't know that.
that's why it's called a dirt bike. Do some bounces. Can you?
So, by the way, if you want to get one of these, it's from Fun Bites.
Should I get one?
It's from Fun
No,
Bites.
no,
I'm just speaking to the viewers here. It's from Fun Bites, yeah. It has the keys. Put the keys in.
Show some keys.
So,
look at them keys.
let's just do like a close up here.
Right.
So look,
Look at them keys.
you know, like, you put them in.
Oh, look at them keys.
Twist it.
Oh, look at him rev that.
There you go.
Oh, look at him press that button.
You don't.
I'm
filming it upside down, aren't I?
You probably are.
Sorry guys, I'm filming it upside down.
Look at him press
I'm
that
gonna do a
button.
self-film. Quite dangerous this though. Anyway, go.
Yeah, I'll get it from like here.
I'll do a self-film.
Yeah, you could. Guys, I'm gonna cut this to the bit where he does a self-film for me. So see ya. Hey guys, I'm gonna have a go now. So we're gonna press the button. Okay, no, we're not. No, we're not. Okay, now we're gonna press the button. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so scared. Sorry guys if this is very loud and you can't hear me. Sorry if it's bad quality. Just because we're on a dirt bike, I've never ridden one. I'm actually super scared right now. Oh wow. Thanks guys for watching that little.
Ready? Come past me, I'll get a close up on the wheel. Stop.
Hey guys, we're going to have to do another video here because Matthew's back tyre needs pumping up.
Okay,
So we've got Matthew. Yep. Yeah, so yeah, I had some good times. So we're just gonna get his tyre sorted, edit it, and then you guys will get to watch it. Bye! Look what we found. It's taking home its nectar.
Look what we found.